So over here, you can see that I have this particular Notion page right here. And let's say what I want to actually do is get updates and analytics details for this particular page. In that case, you can simply go around onto the three dot button right here, and you can see that updates and analytics is an option right here. So you can see all of the updates right here, for example, who has made what changes. And you can see that it is mostly me right now on adding things to the project right here. You can also see the analytics right here and see who actually went ahead and viewed this particular note right here, just like this. And you can also go ahead and choose a certain time range right here, just like this as well. So you can go ahead and do this for all of the notes that you have right here. For example, this one, you can go around onto updates and analytics, and you can see that there are total 5 views right here, and these are the updates made by individual members right here, just like this. You can go around over here onto more as well, and let's say, for example, choose around certain things right here, go around onto updates and analytics, and then you can see that this is what you have right here. If I were to go around onto analytics, then this is what you have as well. So that is how you can go ahead and work around with updates and analytics inside of Notion. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.